Hi, in this session we are going to discuss about pattern fill. Okay, pattern fill, how we can apply pattern fill for any object. So this is the toolbox. First let us draw some object. So from this toolbox I'm just picking some shape from the polygon. I'm just picking, if I click the sided down arrow, you have a different combinations of polygons, so you can select one and just draw your shape. I'm just increasing this. Now this is my polygon. Okay, right. Okay, so this is the shape that I have created. Now let us apply some pattern fill for this. So for this, from the toolbox, first you select the object, go to the toolbox and click here the fill tool. Here you can find pattern fill, this option. So just click on it and the properties of pattern fill window will open here. You have three radio buttons here: two color, full color, bitmap. So you can choose any one of this. So if I'm just keep clicking on these radio buttons, you can observe the preview of the style of pattern. Okay, so if I select two colors, so and here you have a down arrow. If you click this, you have a different textures here. You can select any one, so which one you would like. So you can just select the pattern or the texture for your pattern fill. And hence you have selected two color, you have two color options here. You can have a different combinations. If you want, you can just go for a different combinations. So if you just keep changing the colors, you can observe here the preview, right? So you can just keep changing the colors for your pattern fill. Okay, so you have a different color combinations. You can select any one. Let us go for this. And these two parameters are x-axis and this is for y-axis. Okay, and this is the size, so width and height of your image. Okay, so you can do some experiment on increasing and decreasing of this size and horizon and just say okay. Now if you observe, so this is the pattern we have selected and the fill is applied to our object. This is a pattern fill. So if you want, you can change the pattern. Just select your object, go to the toolbox, click pattern fill. Here you have a different textures. You can select any one if you are going for two color, or if you want to go for full color, just select full color. And here you have a different textures again. You can just select it. Okay, and you can just mirror fill and transform fill with object. Just check two options and say okay. Now see, this is the other pattern which is having full colors. Okay, and if you want to go for bitmap, again click this toolbar, go to the pattern fill, and here you have bitmap. Even in bitmap you have a different textures, so just click this. So whatever the texture you like, so you can just select the texture. Okay, and if you want, you can just change your horizons, increasing and decreasing, and just say let it be 0 and this is 0 and just say okay. Now see, this is the pattern filling of our object. So what you have to do for your object, just select the object, go to the click the toolbox and say pattern fill. So you have three styles of patterns: two color, you can select the two colors, and full color, you can select it from here. Whatever the pattern you want, you just can select it. The preview will appear here. Select bitmap. If you want, you can just select bitmap, right? So you can select whatever the bitmap you want to apply, you can select it. And this is transform. If you want to screw it or if you want to rotate your image, you can just rotate it and say okay. Now this is our pattern filling of the object.